So Numair beta, we will add today 650 add 6. Okay, so you need to expand this number. So how you gonna expand it? 600?
56.
No. You are not expanding it. Oh, you got the answer. Good boy. Okay, so basically I was saying I want you to write 600, add 50, add 6, and then do 50 add 6, 56. So 600 add 56 is the total 656. Okay, good boy. Next beta, 147 add 26. So could you expand this number? Right here 100.
100.
Add 47.
That makes 147.
I know it's already, but we are expanding this number. So write 47, add 26. And now we're gonna do our normal addition, okay? So you know that what you gonna do? 47 add 2 tens or 47 add 6 unit? What you gonna do first?
Tens.
Tens, okay. So 47 add 2 tens?
67.
67. So 67 add 6?
72.
Okay, write 100 add. Is it sorry, did you remember better? Write 47 add 2 tens means 67. Write 67 first. And now add 6 unit. Add 6. No matter your writing is not clean. You are not writing properly. It's not clean.
Add
60. Yeah, so what you doing? 67 add 6 unit, na?
67.
Yeah, because you add.
That makes 72.
Wait. So what you doing? So you did 47 add 2 tens. So what left? 6 units left. So 100 add 67 add. Right now. Write the write 6 here. We have to complete the number sentence. Now equal sign. Okay, so now 67 add 6 makes. So look here, it's a 7 and 6, right? So 6, 5, 4, 3. So what is the next number ending with 3? After 67?
73.
73. So you were doing that mistake. You were saying 72. Okay. So that's why I didn't let you write here. So 100 add 67 add 6. What does that make? What's the total answer? So 67 add 6 is?
173.
Good boy. Write 173, please. So did you get your mistake? Yeah, good boy. Okay, next beta, 330 add 68. So first of all, Numair will expand this number. Write 300, please.
Yeah, but it's dotted method.
300 add 30. Write 30, add 30. So we will expand the number to make calculation easy. So 300 add 30, add 68. Add 68.
Yeah, but it's dotted method.
I know is equal to. So what you gonna do? So Numair will do 3 tens add 6 tens. Right? So 3 add 6. Yeah.
90 tens.
90. Okay, so 30 add 60 makes 90.
So that means 98.
98. Good boy. So Numair will write 300.
Again?
300. Yeah, again. Because we were solving these two numbers. Okay. So 300. Write 300, please. 300.
But it's dotted. We're not even.
Add.
It's dotted method. But we're not expanding it. We're not doing expansion column.
We are doing 3 digits addition, so that's why we are expanding it, okay, to make our calculation easy. So 300 add, so you just did that. 30 add 68 makes 98, right? 98 here.
That makes 398.
Exactly. So write 98 first. We have to complete the number sentence, and then we gonna write our answer is equal to. Now we will write our total answer here. So 398. Our next question is 952 add 71. So first of all, you need to expand this number. So write 900. So 9 in the 100 column. So write 900.
900.
Yeah, please. 900. Add 52. Why are you going up? You should write on the line. 952. add 71 is equal to, okay, so now here we got to 52 and 71. What you want to do first? 52 add 7 tens, or you want to do 52 add 1 unit?
52 and 1 unit.
Yeah, so 52 add 1 unit makes
53.
53. So would you please write 900? Write 900. Add 53. So we will cut 52 and 1. 53. Add what left?
71.
Not 71. What is this? What left? We did 52
7.
add 1, 53.
7.
So what? 7 what?
7.
What is the place value of 7? 70. So write 70, please. Okay, now tell mommy, 53 add 70. What's the answer? What is 7 at 7 tens add 5 tens? So what is 50 at 70?
50 at 70.
Gee, what is 50 at 70? So we got 7, 3 dots on the 7. So 5, 4, 3, 2.
120.
So, good boy. So we got 120 add 3. Move your
123.
123. So right here 900.
Again.
900 again.
Again 900.
Yeah, because we are 900 add 123.
It keeps going.
900. Where is 123, beta? 50 add 70 makes 120. So 120 add 3 makes 123. You forgot. No, but you got really bad memory.
How many times do I
900. Because we have to solve it. Come on. So 900 add 123. What's the answer?
1023.
So we got exactly. So we got 1, 3 add 0, 0, 2 add 0, 0, and 1 add 9, 10. So come and write 1023. Well done, Numair. Okay, so next beta, 297 add 9. Come on.
306.
Are you sure? Okay, write it. Good boy, you did it. 306. You made mommy happy now. Okay, next beta, 511 add 56. So write 500 plus.
How many times?
Okay, listen, if you don't want to write 500, so we do like that. 500 here, okay, we got 11 here and 56. So 56 add 11.
56 at 11.
Okay, 56 add 110.
66.
66 add 1.
67.
67. So 500 add 67. What's the answer?
567.
Good boy, write the answer.
Can you do
567.
that? Can you do that?
What to do that?
To make it, you made the faster way.
You need to remember everything. Okay, next beta, 779 add 42. Okay, so how you gonna do that? So what is 79 at 4 tens?
79 at 4 tens.
So we got
179.
79 at 4 tens. So we got 7. 7 got 3 dots. So we got 4, 3, 2, 1. So 70 add 40.
70 add 40. 100. No, 110.
110. So 110 add 9.
110 add 9. 119.
119. So 119 add 2.
119 add 2. 121.
121. So 700 add 121.
821.
Exactly. 800. Good boy. Next beta, 166 add 95. So 66 add 9 tens. So we take 6. Okay, so 60 add 90.
60 and 90.
Oh, please. Okay.
If
So
I
beta,
take
60 add 90.
and 90.
So 9 got 1 dot. So what will this 6 become? 5. So 60 at 90?
150.
Good boy. 150 at 6?
156.
156 at 5?
159.
No, 156 at 5?
156 at 5.
Yeah, that's why I say to you right. Okay,
62.
anyway, 156 at 5?
160.
No, 100.
161.
161. So 161 add 100.
261.
Yeah, 261. Okay, next beta, 282 add 70, sorry, 285 add 72. Okay, so 85 at 70. So 80 at 70. First we do 80 at 70.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell mommy na 80 at 70. So 8 got 2 dots. So 7, 6, 5. 150. 150 at 5.
155.
155 at 2.
157.
157 at 200.
157 at 200.
157 at 200.
257.
No, 157 at 200. Okay, right here. Right here, 200. It's 200, right, 200.
200.
At 157.
357.
Right, 157. Now we have to complete the number sentence.
Yeah, but
we cannot leave it in a halfway. Yeah, come on, is equal to, now write 357. Okay, next last question. 999, it's 999 at 31.
It's going to be 1,000.
Anyway, let's check out. So 90 at 30.
90 at 30. 120.
Goodbye. 120 at 1.
100. 121.
121 at 9.
130.
130. So 130 at 900.
130
Okay, right here 900. 900, right, Shabash? 900. This is the last question. 900 add 130.
That makes
Right.
1030.
Yeah, good boy. Write it then. Good boy. Thank you, Numair.
Yay, baby.